from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Everything you need to know before tomorrow's election, and 2 temples in Henrico are targeted by thieves. We'll tell you about those stories and others in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, November 6, 2023, and it's brought to you today by My Empanada.
And now for the news.
Election day is tomorrow, and before you head out to the polls, we've got you covered with our Henrico Voters Guide. You'll want to take a look. You can find it on our website, henricocitizen.com. It's got all of our coverage of all of the local Henrico County races and also details about state races affecting the county. We've also got links to exactly what your ballot will look like and details about polling locations. Find it all on our website today. Well, Henrico police are investigating after break-ins occurred at 2 Buddhist temples in Henrico last week. The incidents both happened on October 30th, the first at about 1:20 p.m. in the 2200 block of Mountain Road in Glen Allen. About 5 hours later, another temple in the 2400 block of Old Hanover Road in Sandston was targeted. In both cases, perpetrators entered the temples by kicking open a back door. In the first incident, 3 men reportedly did so but fled without taking anything. In the latter incident, a witness reported seeing one person kick in the door and take several items, including cash, before fleeing. Police had been called in January to the Mountain Road Temple after reports of a burglary at that point. Nationally, break-ins at Buddhist temples have become a recent trend, according to Henrico Police, who said they've met with representatives from both temples to provide them with tips about how to best prevent such incidents. If you know anything about either of these cases, call Henrico Police at 804-501-5000 or Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers to report your tips anonymously at 804-780-1000. One topic of prominence in this year's local Henrico elections has been active transportation needs, such as bike lanes, sidewalks, and shared use paths, and how many the county should implement. We decided to find out what Henrico residents think about the issue, and you can see what we found out today. It's on our website, henricocitizen.com. Henrico County has started to install automatic external defibrillators, or AEDs, at various parks and recreation areas. The machines are used to treat cardiac emergencies. Each AED is locked with a code, so when a person calls 911, the first responder will provide that code along with step-by-step instructions about how to use the AED. 2 western Henrico office buildings have a new owner. Seminole Trail Properties of Charlottesville purchased West Tier 1 and 2 office buildings on West Tier Parkway, not far from Innsbrook, that total about 163,000 square feet on October 16th. One building is nearly 100% occupied, while the other is 84% occupied. The sale price was not immediately disclosed. And a quick note, unfortunately this will be the only Henrico News Minute this week, as I will be out of town, but stay with henricocitizen.com for all your local election coverage after tomorrow's elections, and I'll see you back here next Monday. If you're planning a special event this season, be sure to check out My Empanada. My Empanada has a catering menu that's packed with many options for your guests, from assorted trays of empanadas to party salads, sweet trays, and much more. Check them out online at myempanada.net.